Hello students, Saira. Let us continue with the same chapter, chapter number 11, perimeter and area. Today we'll do some more word problems on circle, and based on area and circumference of a circle, we are going to do some more word problems today. So first we'll discuss homework questions which you have got yesterday. So we'll discuss homework questions. You can check your answers. Then exercise 11.3, we'll do 9, 10 and 11 question today. So first homework question of exercise 11.3. If you remember, I have given question number 12 as your homework. So the question was, the circumference of a circle is 31.4 centimeter. Find the radius and the area of the circle. And you have to take the value of pi as 3.14. So what is given? First we will write circumference is given, and based on that we will first find out radius. So first we will write here circumference of the circle is equal to 31.4 centimeter. So now you know circumference is 2 pi r is equal to 31.4. Now radius will be r, will keep here. Here we'll write first 31.4. This will take it to the other side here in denominator. We will take it here down. So it will be 2 pi, 2 into pi, and we know the value of pi here, it is given 3.14. So we'll write 31.4 divided by 2 into 3.14, and then we will reduce this. 3.14 into 10 is 31.4. So here 10 will come. 10 divided by 2, when you reduce this, you will get 5 centimeter. So we got the radius of the circle as 5 centimeter. So this part is over. Now we have to find out the area of the circle. Now we know area of the circle is equal to pi r square. So is equal to, in place of pi we will write 3.14. In place of r here we will write 5 into 5. And then we will multiply this. When we will multiply this, we will get 78.5 centimeter square. Hence the required radius is equal to 5 centimeter. And the area is equal to 78.5 centimeter square. So you can check your answer whether you have got these answers or not. Now next question is, here question number 2. Ram divides a circular disc of radius 7 centimeter into 2 equal parts. What is the perimeter of each semicircular disc? So we have to find out the perimeter of each semicircular disc. And we have to take the value of pi as 22 upon 7. So last time we have learned about how to find out the circumference of semicircle. So we are going to use that formula. So see children, this is the way you are going to write. First, to find the perimeter of semicircular disc, we need to find the circumference of semicircular shape. And then we need to find out the diameter also. Because you can see here, when we are finding out the semicircle area, when we are finding out the circumference, we will first find out this circumference and then we have to add with the diameter. So when we are finding out the perimeter of this semicircular disc, first we will find out this. We will have to find out the circumference of semicircle, plus we have to add the diameter. So these are the two things we need to find out for this. First, what is given in the question? Radius is given, which is 7 centimeter. Now we know circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. So from this we can find out the circumference of semicircle. So that will be half of 2 pi r. And then when you reduce this, you will get pi r. So we got the circumference of semicircle as pi r. Now what you are going to do? You have to substitute the value. In place of pi, we will write 22 upon 7. In place of r here, it is given here in the question here, it is given 7 centimeter. And then these two numbers will be cut. You will get 22 centimeter. Now for this we need to find out the diameter, because you have to add. This circumference of the semicircle will be added to the diameter. And you know here how to find out diameter. As you know, diameter is 2r. So 2 into 7 will be 14 centimeter. Now what you will do? You are going to add these two values. 22 centimeter here we got, and here we got 14. So the circumference of the semicircle will be added to the diameter. So when you add these two values, you will get 36 centimeter. So your answer should be 36 centimeter. Now next question, question number 9 of exercise 11.3. Sajli took a wire of length 44 centimeter and bent it into the shape of a circle. Find the radius of that circle, also find its area. So first we have to find out the radius of that circle and then we have to find out its area. If the same wire is bent into the shape of a square, what will be the length of each of its sides? Which figure encloses more area, the circle or the square? So this also we have to compare both the areas and we have to find out which figure encloses more area. And we have to take the value of pi as 22 upon 7. So first what is given? Length of wire is given. Length of wire to be bent into a circle is 44 centimeter. So as we have to bend that wire into a circle, so we need to find out the circumference. We have to give a frame of circular shape we have to make. And so we will use 2 pi r is equal to 44. And then we will just substitute the value. Here 44 will be written, here you can see 2 pi r. In place of pi, 22 upon 7 is written and r we have to find out, which is equal to 44. Therefore r is equal to, now first here you can see 44 is written. This value will be written in reciprocal form when you will take it to the other side. So it will be into 7 upon 22. Here this is 2 upon 1. So when you will take it to the other side, it will be written as 1 upon 2. If you want, you can write here multiplied by 1 and here 2 is written. And then you can reduce. 22 2s are 44 and then here 2 will be cut, only 7 will be left. So you will get radius as 7 centimeter. Now what you have to do, you have to find out the area of such circle. See here, you can see here, you have to find out the area also. First we'll find out the radius, we have got the answer 7 centimeter. Then we'll find out the area. And area is equal to pi r square. So in place of pi, 22 upon 7, r we got 7 into 7. This 7 will be cut, 22 into 7 is 154 centimeter square. So we got the area of the circle as 154 centimeter square. So now the same wire will be bent into the form of into the shape of a square. And what you have to do, what will be the length of each of its sides? So we have to find out the length of the square. So let us see how to do it. See here, now the same wire is bent into the shape of a square. And that means what? The perimeter of the square is equal to the circumference of the circle. Because you have to use the same wire and you have to turn it into the shape of a square. So we will take the perimeter, like how we have taken the circumference, because we are considering only the boundary. So here we will take the perimeter of the square. So perimeter of the square we have learned before, which is 4 into length of each side. So easily you can find out length of each side now. So length of each side of the square will be perimeter divided by 4. You can see here, perimeter of the square will be the same like circumference of the circle which is given in the question, which is 44 centimeter. So we will get the length of each side of the square by dividing the perimeter by 4. So 44 will be divided by 4. So when you divide these two numbers, you will get 11 centimeter. Now easily we can find out the area of the square. So this is the way, children, you will find out the area of the square. You know the formula for area of the square, which is side into side. So 11 square, here we got one side as 11, 11 into 11 is 121 centimeter square. Now you will compare 154 centimeter square we got as area of circle, and this is the area of square. So this value is greater than this. So of course final answer will be, therefore circle encloses more area. So this way you are going to solve this question. Now next question, question number 10 of exercise 11.3. From a circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeter, two circles, you can see here, this is a circular card sheet of radius 14. This circle has radius 14 centimeter. Two circles of radius 3.5 centimeter. You can see here, these two are the small circles of radius 3.5 centimeter and a rectangle of length 3 centimeter and breadth 1 centimeter are removed. See, you can see this is the rectangle of 3 centimeter and 1 centimeter, and then it is removed. find the area of the remaining sheet. So first you will have to find out the area of the circular card. Then you will find out the area of these two circles, small circles, and you will find out the area of this rectangle, and these three areas you are going to subtract from the whole area of this circular card sheet. So then you will get the area of the remaining sheet. So let us see how to solve. Radius of the circular sheet, it is given like this, is equal to 14 centimeter. It is given in the question. So area you can easily find out pi r square, 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. And this will reduce, and then when you multiply you will get 616 centimeters square. And then we'll find out area of these two small circles. So you can write directly 2 into pi r square. We know area of circle is pi r square. So we'll write 2 because two circles have the same radius. So we'll write 2 into pi r square is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 3.5. You can see here the radius is given here 3.5. So 3.5 into 3.5. And then we will reduce it. So when you will reduce this, you will get 0.5, and then you are going to multiply this all numbers. So when you will multiply, you will get 77 centimeters square. Now we will find out the area of that rectangular sheet. So area of the rectangle, you can see here, this is length 3 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter. So we'll multiply, we know the area of rectangle L into B. So when you multiply, you will get 3 centimeters square. Now area of the remaining sheet, what you will do? You have to remove this area, this two circles area and rectangles area. So one we got 77, two circles area we got 77, and here we got 3 centimeters square. So this two we will add, and then we are going to subtract from the whole area of the circular card sheet, which we got as 616 centimeters square. So we are going to subtract 77 plus 3 is 80. So when you subtract these two values, you will get 536 centimeter square. So this is the final answer. This is the area of the remaining sheet. Now children, question number 11. A circle of radius 2 centimeter is cut out from a square piece of an aluminium sheet of side 6 centimeter. What is the area of leftover aluminium sheet? So here first what you have to do, you have to find out the area of the aluminium sheet whose side is 6 centimeter. And then we'll find out the area of the circle, and then we are going to subtract, so we'll get the area of the leftover aluminium sheet. So let us see how to solve it. First we'll write side of the square, which is given in the question, 6 centimeter. We'll find out the area of the sheet, which is side into side, because it is given, it is of the shape of square. So 6 square, side into side, 6 square will be 36 centimeters square. Now radius of the circle also given, it is 2 centimeter. So area we can find out of the circle by using the formula for area, pi r square. So in place of pi, 22 upon 7 into 2 into 2. And when you will solve it, you will get 88 upon 7. When you multiply this two number, you will get 88 upon 7 centimeters square. And now what you have to do, just you have to subtract these two areas. So you will get the area of the leftover aluminium sheet. So it is done here. 88, here you have got 36 here minus 88 upon 7 centimeters square. And then you will take the LCM of this two. Here you have to write 1. So LCM will be 7, and this 2 you will multiply. You will get this number minus 88, and then when you subtract here, you will get here 164 upon 7. And then if you want, you will divide this 164, you divide by 7. So you will get 23.44 centimeters square. If you keep it in this form also, it is correct. So this way you are going to solve question number 11. You are going to write down in your notebook. These two questions are your homework, children. You will do it. Next time we will discuss about it. Thank you. That's all for today.